Welcome. Today we're diving into why building a diverse team is more important than ever. In today's fast-paced world, organizations are realizing that diversity isn't just a buzzword. It's a key driver of innovation and success. When people from different backgrounds, experiences, and perspectives come together, they bring unique ideas and solutions to the table. This blend of viewpoints helps teams tackle challenges creatively and adapt to changing markets. So let's explore how diversity can transform your team and why it's essential for growth. Ready to unlock the power of diverse thinking? Let's get started. Before we go further, let's define what diversity really means in a team setting. Diversity goes beyond visible differences like race or gender. It includes a wide range of characteristics, such as age, culture, education skills, and even ways of thinking. When we talk about building a diverse team, we're talking about creating an environment where everyone's unique qualities are valued and leveraged. This broad definition helps us see the full spectrum of what diversity can offer. Understanding this is the first step toward building a truly inclusive team. Let's talk numbers. Studies show that diverse teams outperform their less diverse counterparts. Companies with diverse leadership are more likely to capture new markets and see higher profits. Why? Because diversity fuels creativity and helps teams spot opportunities others might miss. When everyone brings something different to the table, the team can approach problems from multiple angles. This leads to better decision-making and stronger results. So, investing in diversity isn't just the right thing to do, it's a smart business move. Innovation thrives in diverse environments. When team members come from different backgrounds, they challenge each other's assumptions and push boundaries. This dynamic sparks new ideas and leads to breakthrough solutions. Think about some of the world's most successful companies. They often credit their diverse teams for their innovative edge. By encouraging a mix of perspectives, you create a culture where creativity flourishes and everyone feels empowered to contribute. Diverse teams are better at solving complex problems. Why? Because they approach challenges from different angles. When people with varied experiences work together, they can identify potential pitfalls and develop more effective solutions. This collaborative approach leads to smarter strategies and helps teams avoid groupthink. In the end, diversity makes your team more resilient and adaptable in the face of change. Diverse workplace is attractive to top talent. Today's job seekers want to work for organizations that value inclusion and respect individual differences. When your team is diverse, it signals that you're open-minded and forward-thinking. This reputation helps you attract skilled professionals from all walks of life, giving your organization a competitive edge. Building a diverse team isn't just about filling quotas, it's about creating an environment where everyone wants to belong. Diversity also plays a big role in employee retention. When people feel seen, heard, and valued, they're more likely to stay with your organization. Inclusive teams foster a sense of belonging, which boosts morale and reduces turnover. By investing in diversity, you're not just building a stronger team, you're also creating a workplace where people want to grow their careers. This stability benefits everyone from employees to leadership. One challenge in building a diverse team is overcoming unconscious bias. These are the automatic judgments we make about others, often without realizing it. Unconscious bias can influence hearing decisions and team dynamics, sometimes leading to missed opportunities. Recognizing and addressing these biases is crucial for creating a truly inclusive environment. Training and open conversations can help teams become more aware and intentional in their action. Recruitment is the first step in building a diverse team. To attract a wide range of candidates, it's important to use inclusive language in job postings and reach out through diverse channels. Consider partnering with organizations that support underrepresented groups. By casting a wider net, you increase your chances of finding talented individuals who bring fresh perspectives to your team. Structured interviews help reduce bias in the hiring process. By asking each candidate the same set of questions, you ensure a fair comparison based on skills and experience. This approach also makes it easier to evaluate candidates objectively. Structured interviews are a simple but powerful way to support diversity and make your recruitment process more transparent. Another effective strategy is to use diverse interview panels. When interviewers come from different backgrounds, they bring a range of perspectives to the table. This helps ensure that candidates are evaluated fairly and that unconscious biases are minimized. Diverse panels also send a strong message to candidates that your organization values inclusion. The onboarding process sets the tone for new team members. An inclusive onboarding program helps everyone feel welcome from day one. This might include mentorship, cultural training, and opportunities to connect with colleagues. When new hires feel supported, they're more likely to thrive and contribute to the team's success. Belonging is at the heart of a diverse team. When people feel like they belong, they're more engaged and motivated. Leaders can foster belonging by encouraging open communication, celebrating differences, and creating spaces where everyone's voice is heard. This sense of community helps teams work better together and achieve their goals. Celebrating differences is a powerful way to build team spirit. Recognize and honor the unique backgrounds, traditions, and achievements of your team members. This could be as simple as sharing cultural holidays or highlighting individual accomplishments. When people feel appreciated for who they are, they're more likely to contribute their best work. Open communication is essential for a diverse team to thrive. Encourage team members to share their ideas, concerns, and feedback. Create regular opportunities for dialogue, such as team meetings or anonymous surveys. When everyone feels comfortable speaking up, the team can address issues early and work together more effectively. Leaders play a crucial role in building and sustaining diverse teams. Inclusive leaders actively seek out different perspectives and make sure everyone has a seat at the table. They model respectful behavior and hold themselves accountable for creating an equitable environment. By leading with empathy and openness, they inspire others to do the same. Diversity and inclusion are ongoing journeys, not one-time goals. Encourage your team to keep learning about different cultures, perspectives, and experiences. Offer training sessions, workshops, or book clubs focused on diversity topics. This commitment to growth helps your team stay open-minded and adaptable in a changing world. Know if your diversity efforts are working. It's important to measure progress. Set clear goals and track metrics like representation, retention, and employee satisfaction. Regularly review your data and adjust your strategies as needed. Transparency in reporting helps build trust and shows your commitment to real change. Building a diverse team isn't always easy. You may face challenges like resistance to change or misunderstandings between team members. The key is to address these issues openly and constructively. Provide support, encourage empathy, and remind everyone of the benefits of diversity. With patience and persistence, your team can overcome obstacles and grow stronger together. Allies are team members who actively support diversity and inclusion even if they're not part of an underrepresented group. Allies speak up against bias, advocate for fairness, and help create a welcoming environment. Their support is vital for building trust and ensuring everyone feels valued. Encourage allyship at all levels of your organization. Mentorship programs are a great way to support diverse talent. Pairing new hires with experienced mentors helps them navigate the workplace and build confidence. Mentors can offer guidance, share insights, and open doors to new opportunities. These relationships foster growth and help diverse team members reach their full potential. Employee resource groups (ERGs) bring together people with shared backgrounds or interests. These groups provide support, networking, and a sense of community within the organization. ERGs also give employees a platform to voice their ideas and concerns, helping leadership stay connected to the needs of diverse teams. Flexible work policies can make your team more inclusive. Offering options like remote work, flexible hours, or job sharing helps accommodate different needs and lifestyles. These policies show that you value work-life balance and are willing to adapt to support your team's diverse backgrounds. Accessibility is a key part of diversity. Make sure your workplace is accessible to everyone, including people with disabilities. This might mean providing ramps, assistive technology, or quiet spaces. By removing barriers, you create an environment where all team members can do their best work. Cultural awareness helps teams work better together. Encourage team members to learn about each other's backgrounds and traditions. This understanding reduces misunderstandings and builds respect. Simple actions like celebrating cultural holidays or sharing stories can make a big difference in creating a welcoming atmosphere. Conflicts can arise in any team, but diverse teams may face unique challenges. Address conflicts quickly and fairly by encouraging open dialogue and understanding. Provide training on conflict resolution and make sure everyone knows how to seek help if needed. A proactive approach keeps your team focused and united. A strong feedback culture helps diverse teams grow. Encourage regular, constructive feedback between team members and leaders. This openness helps everyone learn and improve. Make feedback a normal part of your team's routine and always focus on solutions rather than blame. It's important to recognize and address bias when it appears. This could be in hearing, promotions, or everyday interactions. Encourage team members to speak up if they notice bias and provide safe channels for reporting concerns. Addressing bias head-on helps build trust and ensures everyone is treated fairly. Inclusive decision-making means involving everyone in the process. Seek input from team members with different backgrounds and experiences. This approach leads to better decisions and helps everyone feel invested in the outcome. When people see their ideas valued, they're more likely to stay engaged and motivated. Don't forget to celebrate your team's successes. Recognize both individual and group achievements. Celebrating wins, big or small, helps build morale and reinforces the value of working together. Make it a habit to acknowledge hard work and progress toward your diversity goals. Mistakes are part of any team's journey. When things don't go as planned, use it as a learning opportunity. Encourage your team to reflect on what happened and how to improve. A culture that learns from mistakes is more resilient and better equipped to handle future challenges. Change is constant, especially in diverse teams. Be ready to adapt your strategies as your team grows and evolves. Stay open to new ideas and be willing to adjust your approach. Flexibility helps your team stay strong and united no matter what challenges arise. Many teams today are remote or spread across the globe. Embrace the diversity that comes with different locations and time zones. Use technology to stay connected and make sure everyone feels included no matter where they are. Global teams bring a wealth of perspectives and can help your organization succeed in international markets. Technology can help support diverse teams. Use collaboration tools, video calls, and project management platforms to keep everyone engaged. These tools make it easier to share ideas, track progress, and ensure that all voices are heard. Leveraging technology helps bridge gaps and brings your team closer together. Diversity at the leadership level sets the tone for the entire organization. When leaders come from varied backgrounds, they bring different perspectives and inspire others to aim higher. Diverse leadership teams are better equipped to understand and serve a wide range of clients and customers. Supplier diversity means working with vendors and partners from a variety of backgrounds. This approach not only supports your diversity goals but also brings new ideas and innovation into your organization. Building relationships with diverse suppliers can open up new opportunities and strengthen your business network. Engaging with your local community is another way to support diversity. Partner with organizations, schools, and nonprofits that serve diverse populations. Community engagement helps you understand the needs of different groups and shows your commitment to making a positive impact beyond your organization. Regular diversity training keeps your team informed and engaged. These sessions can cover topics like unconscious bias, cultural competence, and inclusive communication. Training helps everyone stay aware of best practices and reinforces your organization's commitment to diversity. Setting clear diversity goals gives your team something to work toward. These goals might include increasing representation, improving retention, or launching new inclusion initiatives. Make sure your goals are specific, measurable, and aligned with your organization's values. Transparency and accountability are key to sustaining diversity efforts. Share your progress with the team and be honest about challenges. Hold leaders and team members accountable for meeting diversity goals. This openness builds trust and keeps everyone focused on continuous improvement. As your team makes progress, take time to celebrate milestones. Whether it's reaching a diversity hearing goal or launching a new inclusion program, these moments deserve recognition. Celebrating milestones keeps the team motivated and reminds everyone of the positive impact they're making. Share stories of how diversity has made a difference in your team. Highlight examples of innovation, collaboration, or personal growth that came from embracing different perspectives. These stories inspire others and show the real-world benefits of building a diverse team. Diversity and inclusion are ongoing commitments. Regularly review your strategies, seek feedback, and look for new ways to improve. Stay curious and open to change. By making continuous improvement a priority, your team will keep growing stronger and more inclusive over time. The future belongs to teams that embrace diversity. As the world becomes more connected, the ability to work with people from all backgrounds will be a key advantage. Diverse teams are more innovative, adaptable, and successful. By building a culture of inclusion now, you're setting your team up for long-term success. Now is the time to take action. Start by assessing your current team, setting clear diversity goals, and committing to ongoing learning. Remember, building a diverse team is a journey, not a destination. Every step you take brings you closer to a stronger, more innovative, and more successful organization. Thanks for joining us on this important topic. Let's build a brighter future together.